for the year ahead. Please welcome back our area head, Mr. Edmer Borja.
I have my own story to tell you. Something like a couple of months ago, I visited the branch. And as I was sitting right in front of the marketing section, talking with the MA, I glanced upon the front door. And I saw a woman, client, middle-aged, quite rich in her looks, entering the branch. And she was like this. As she walks inside the branch, her left hand was covering her left cheek. All because she was avoiding looking at the table of the FA on the left side. As she walked along, the FA caught the woman. And the FA almost gently shouted, "Ma'am, kamusta na po ang proposal ko sa inyo?" The client walked towards the marketing section, and the FA, I caught the FA signaling, winking to the MO. And then the MO approached the woman, and the MO told her, "Ma'am, napag-isipan na po ba ninyo ni Mister ang alok naming maniki?" End of the story. Two days after, I was told that that same woman client went to another nearby branch. She intended to do the inter-branch transaction, but this time avoiding her original branch. When she entered the nearby branch, upon entering again the front door, she was approached by the FA and the MA. This time, the two women told the client, "Ma'am, may plan B ka na ba?" And the client gently told the two employees, "Alam ko na yan, BDO Life yan." After several weeks, because I was monitoring that particular client, she went back again to the original branch, to her branch of account. And finally, she signed the application. What she signed was the fifth application already. She already got 4 previously. Sir Ato was telling us a while ago, all of us here were farmers, that we have to continuously plant the seed every day. And you may never know when will be the time that that seed will grow and bear fruit. Yung story ko ba is familiar occurrence in your branches? may I ask you, have you all experienced how to be ignored? How to be rejected? How to feel the disappointment? How to feel the struggle of convincing a client? Familiar? Yes. But because all of us are in Laguna Nation, and in Laguna Nation, the spirit of Game On always lives in our heart. Never mind, from north and south. Doesn't matter. What matters most is those struggles, disappointments, challenges, rejections, those are part of your learning processes, right? And you have continuously refused to quit, to surrender, and that is the main reason why you are all wearing your elegant Filipiniana this afternoon. You are being rewarded for all your effort. You are being acknowledged. You are being recognized for your courage, for your intense desire not to cross-sell. Again, not to cross-sell, because it is admittedly, BDO Life is the hardest product to sell. Reason why I always tell you, don't sell BDO Life. Never ever sell BDO Life. And in the end, you will always attend the Millionaires Club awarding every year. So what are we going to do? Instead of selling, we become missionaries. We take into our hearts the mission of providing protection to our clients. Alam niyo, sometimes clients interpret protection as an abstract thing. Because once you buy BDO Life, hindi naman nila magagamit ngayon agad. Ma'am, bili ka ng BDO Life, pwede mong magamit bukas. Hindi naman ganun, di ba? But what we want everybody to realize is we provide the safety net for the families of our clients. Especially at these turbulent times. The Middle East crisis, the US-Iran war, God is Almighty. BDO Life in Laguna Nation is more powerful than any drone or any missile that Iran and US will ever launch. I am so grateful that I have a team like you. I am so thankful for BDO Life organization, most especially for our CEO and President, Mr. Renato Berhel de Dios. Let's give him a round of applause, please. Every year, every awarding ceremony, laging nandiyan dyan si Sir Ato. Hindi tayo pinababayaan. And for that, maraming salamat, Sir Ato, for the support and inspiration. Of course, I'd like to also acknowledge the effort of all the financial advisors na nandito. Palakpakan po natin lahat ng mga financial advisors. All the financial advisors of Laguna Nation were treated like family. And we have loved them, in the branch that their support at saka yung kanilang guidance to us is being given importance. Maraming salamat. To our area sales leaders, Dennis and Rain, and of course, if I may mention Roxanne, thank you so much for the inspiration and support also. And of course, our regional sales manager, Shirley Alcala. Palakpakan naman natin, Shirley. You've always been a part of our journey. Maraming salamat, Shirley. And at this moment, I want you to join me in giving a boisterous applause to all the staff awardees who are here tonight. Pwede po bang tumayo lahat ng staff awardees? Can you please all stand up? Okay. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you so much for knowing the value of providing protection to our clients and helping your branches hit their targets. Next, syempre, ang mga nag-mentor sa mga staff na yan, give a round of applause to all the second line officers. Please stand up. All the second line officers. Wow. Thank you so much. Alam niyo, kapag last quarter na at namomroblema na ang branch kung makaka-videos guest, ito yung mga sumasakit na ang ulo at sobra nang nai-stress. Pero since they always beat, hawak nila ang beat. Hawak nila ang beat. They always beat the cut-off. Reason why they're all here. Palakpakan naman ninyo. Lahat ng mga branch heads na narito, please stand up and be acknowledged. Thank you for your gallantry. Okay. Lastly, as Laguna Nation's area head, napakalaki po ng utang na loob ko sa inyo. Paulit-ulit kong sinasabi, walang matagumpay na area head na hindi tinulungan ng kanyang mga branches, officers, second line, staff, branch heads, and of course our BDO Life partners. So I really am so grateful for a very blessed 2025. And not only that, for the record, pwede po ninyong ipagmalaki, for the last 6 years, 4 times na naging number 1 nationwide ang Laguna Nation. 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2024. But of course, sabi nga ni Sir Ato kanina, medyo na-miss niya tayo last year. But Sir Ato, I promise you, we will be back in the race. And we will try to recapture our crown. Pwede ba yun? Okay. So for this year, whether you are in the left side or in the right side, doesn't matter. We all have one spirit, one mindset, one heart, and I would like you to shout with all your heart. Again, just one more time. Just one more time. Let me request you, everybody. Are you ready? Okay. Laguna Nation, are you game? Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Sir Oliver, and thank you, Laguna Nation. Today has been a testament to what we can achieve when we work together to protect the dreams of Filipino families.
May we call on Miss Shirley Atala and Sir Ato to join Sir Edward here on stage for the toast.
Toast tayo? Dala mo kay Edmund to. Edmund, kamera siya. Okay. May araw pa ha, Edmund ha? May araw pa.
May araw pa. Yeah. Okay, everyone, may I invite you to please get your glasses of wine. I know you have a fertile imagination. Okay. Just think of it as a wine, white wine. Everybody, please. This is to celebrate all the victories that we have achieved, not just in 2025, but all these years that we have been together. And for 2026, let's promise ourselves that despite all the challenges that we are facing, we are formidable, we have one spirit, we do have the courage to face all the struggles and challenges, and we will emerge as victorious once again. So Laguna Nation, cheers everybody! Cheers!
Congratulations once again to all our 2025 awardees. Let's keep the momentum going, keep serving with purpose, and continue to shine.
I am Dude Serafika.
And I'm Ira Pabulayan.
Thank you everyone for celebrating with us today.
Please do accomplish our survey form for this afternoon's program.